If you are looking for a high protein fat loss Indian diet with some delicious meals, this 2000 calorie diet with 170 grams of protein is for you. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2000 calorie fat loss Indian diet which is divided into 4 meals with a total of about 170 grams of protein, with each meal being absolutely delicious. Dieting does not have to be boring, guys. I'm going to show you just how simple and enjoyable it can be. So if you are ready to get this video underway, please go ahead and show some love by liking this video, subscribe if you're new around here, and let's get started with meal number 1, which is this delicious carrot cake overnight oats. To make it, add 20 grams of oats, half cup of fat-free milk, 5 grams of chia seeds, 1 scoop of whey protein, I went with vanilla, 30 grams of carrot, 5 grams of crushed walnuts, 10 grams of honey, and a pinch of salt. Mix well and refrigerate. And finally, just before having it, add 100 grams of Greek yogurt along with 20 grams of carrot and 10 grams of raisins, and enjoy. This is a total of about 430 calories, 52 grams of carbs, 7 grams of fat, and 41 grams of protein. Moving on to meal number 2, which is 1 serving of this amazing chicken fried rice. To make it, add 400 grams of chicken thighs to a mixing bowl with the fat trimmed off. To that, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper. Mix well and set aside for about 30 minutes. On medium flame, coat the pan with some cooking spray and cook the chicken. Once it's fully done, set aside. On another pan, add half a tablespoon of oil, a small onion, and cook till it turns golden brown. Next, add a small bowl of mixed veggies along with half a teaspoon of salt and saute till the raw smell of the veggies fade. Add 2 whole eggs into the mixture, and once it's cooked, add the chicken along with 300 grams of cooked white rice. To this, add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of red chili paste, this is totally optional, and 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. Give it all a good mix, divide the entire recipe into 2 servings, and finally top it off with some fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it. 1 serving of this, which is meal number 2, is about 590 calories, of which 57 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 51 grams are protein. Moving on to a snack, which is this refreshing mango chia pudding. To make it, in a blender, add 1 cup of fat-free milk along with 250 grams of mango, 30 grams of natural honey, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and a bit of vanilla extract. Go ahead, blend it all up. Then transfer into a bowl and add 20 grams of chia seeds, give it a good mix, and refrigerate it for a couple of hours. Finally, top it off with a few chopped mangoes, and there you go. Your tasty mango chia pudding is ready. Divide this entire recipe into 3 servings, and 2 servings of it will be meal number 3 or your snack. And this is a total of about 300 calories, of which 54 grams are carbs, 6 grams are fat, and 8 grams are protein. Moving on to the final meal of the day, which is this yummy egg sandwich along with a protein shake. To make it, boil 3 eggs and chop 1 whole egg and 2 egg whites into small pieces as such. Add 1/4 of a medium onion, 1/4 of a chopped cucumber, 1/4 of a bell pepper, 1 green chili, 15 grams or 1 tablespoon of light mayo or eggless mayo, and finally add some black pepper and salt and give it a good mix. Take 4 slices of bread. The one I went with is 70 calories per slice. Distribute the filling across 2 slices of bread. Cover the top with the other slices. Lightly coat one side of the bread with butter. Place the coated side on the pan, set on medium flame. While that toasts, lightly coat the other side with some butter too. Toast the sandwich until the bread is golden brown and crispy on both sides. Should take about 2 to 3 minutes, and there you go. Your high protein egg sandwiches are ready. And finally, for the protein shake, add 1 cup of fat-free milk along with 1.5 scoop of whey protein. This entire meal is just about 720 calories, of which 74 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 70 grams are protein. And with all the meals combined, this is a total of about 2040 calories, of which 238 grams are carbs, 43 grams are fat, and 170 grams are protein. And there you have it. 4 delicious meals for a total of about 170 grams of protein. You need to be enjoying your meals, guys. I say it all the time. It just makes the entire process, your entire fat loss journey, it allows you to be more consistent, and most importantly, it makes it more sustainable. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and until next time, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.